Okay, today we've made some pretty good progress with the beams. That middle beam wood piece we just added to 16-foot post. And what we did was we created a pulley system and we used some ladders. So this isn't something that really requires two people. I mean, it'd be a little bit more helpful, but if you don't have the proper strength to lift the 16-foot 4x4 beam, and I would suggest you get some assistance. But yeah, we got this up pretty quickly. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And we have the Quikrete tubes in. So the next step is we're going to be laying this concrete. We'll probably pour some today, and we'll probably cut this at about 7/8. So it's going to be a little bit over 2 feet for both ends. And each side isn't going to have the same measurement because we dug a little bit deeper on this other side. We still haven't filled the anchors yet because the weather hasn't really been that severe, so it's not really too much of a rush, but that's definitely on the list of things to do. But, you know, here in Ohio or any area where you have unpredictable weather, you want to make sure you stay on top of that. So the pulleys that we created is sort of like this string that came with the wood, and we did was just tied it up on the post, lifted one angle, put it inside the loop, and then come over to the other side, get up on the ladder, lift it up, and then throw it into the other loop. And that's basically the easiest way to get that done. So we're gonna get this side done really quick. Shouldn't take too long. So the next video that we put together, we should have the Quikrete tubes cut. We should have the Quikrete cement filled inside the Quikrete tubes. And we are using Quikrete cement, so fast setting, and it's going to do the job for what we're doing. And the last step would be just to add the U channels to the top of those hoops, and then we can start putting in the plastic. So we can start doing the endwall plastic now that we have these beams up. So right now we're just kind of taking everything step by step, and those rods that are up top that is holding together the hoops and the wood, that's going to eventually need to be cut, but that's not really a priority right now. I can work around that. I mean, the main thing is just getting everything secure and making sure that it looks good for the most part. So all the measurements are good. We're probably going to add the plastic right here on the sides, and then up top where it almost looks like a triangle, a curved triangle, and that'll be it. So this process, it went pretty quick. It's just mainly you got to know what you're doing, and you know, sometimes the pulley system comes in handy. So thank you guys for joining, and we'll see you soon.